Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys haven't seen my natural hair in a while, but here it is. Today I'm going to be showing you all the best natural looking crochet braids that are easy to install, extremely versatile, and these crochet braids require no cornrows. So for those who cannot do cornrows, girl, I got you again. So right now I'm showing you all an up close and personal view of my hair. I do have 4B, 4C natural hair. Some of it has some ringlets, some of it doesn't have any definition at all. I don't have any product in it, but it's still beautiful. It's what God gave me. So this is the hair that we're going to be using. This hair is by Outre. It's their twisted up springy Afro twist hair. It does come pre-separated, pre-fluffed. I did get it in color 1B and in length 24. You can do so much with this hair, and y'all, I only had to use a little over 1 pack. Before beginning this style, I am going to blow my hair out, so I'm just using this heat protectant in order to do so. I'm also going to be using this new Revlon one-step hair dryer that I've heard so many good things about. This is my first time using it. I recently got it off Amazon and I'm excited to try it. And y'all, it did such a great job getting my hair nice and blown out. I didn't have any tangles or anything. My hair was really smooth. So these are the finished results. It's so nice to see my length, y'all. I have not seen it in a while. I don't even think I put heat on my hair all of this year, maybe even the majority of last year. I rarely put heat on it, so it's good to see my length. So now we're going to start by parting my hair off, and I am going to create 4 sections. The crochet braid install that we're going to be doing is going to allow you to be able to do so many different styles. So you want to ensure, if you're trying to go for this type of versatility, to start with 4 sections. And I felt as though blowing my hair out was easier for me to manipulate it, so that's why I did that. So after creating my 4 sections, this is what it should look like. After showing you guys this, we're going to begin working on creating our leave out. Now, when creating our leave out, we're going to begin going around the parameter of this quadrant and just taking out maybe about an inch wide of hair. And it's probably not even that much, but you want to go around the entire parameter and take out this amount of hair. And then you're going to just bantu knot the hair in the middle. That's going to be the hair that we're going to tuck away. And then we're going to twist up this area. So this is what it should look like. And each quadrant is going to look this way. Before twisting up my leave out, I am going to apply some butter. And this is by Fusion of Cultures. I'll be sure to link it in the description box. It is so good. And I love how moisturizing it is on my hair. Now, while I'm twisting up my hair, I do want to mention that you don't necessarily have to have leave out. You could actually skip this step and do what I'm going to show you guys in a moment to the center portion. You could do that in each quadrant and then proceed to install your crochet braid hair. However, it's not going to look as natural as what I'm going to show you guys. So this is the end product of this particular section. After completing the first section, you simply need to repeat this process in each quadrant.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You make me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute.
Now that we finished the leave out, it's time to work on the center. Now, all you're going to do is simply plait this area. Now, typically with the Vixen crochet braid install or Vixen sew-in, which I'm sure you guys already know that's what we're doing, you do cornrows. However, I know that many of you guys struggle with cornrows, and this is an easier approach, much easier. Thank me later. So now we're going to get into this hair. We're going to begin crocheting it in. I know you guys are wondering, what in the world are you going to do with those plaits? So here's the trick. You're just going to wrap it around this section and then begin crocheting the hair over it. Now, quick recommendation. I didn't do this on the first one, but I'd advise you to do it on the other ones to pin it down with a bobby pin. This hair does come with 3 bundles on the inside and it's already pre-separated, as I stated before. This is a texture, and guys, it looks so natural. Like, doesn't this look like natural hair? It's so amazing how this texture looks. Now, to crochet this hair in for this particular section, because I didn't pin it down, I insert my crochet needle under the braid and then I attach the hair and then pull the hair through, release the needle. I do a little loop and then begin pulling the hair through the loop and then just tightening the hair in that area. I'm just going to continue this process throughout each section, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Chocolate factory, all of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you. Nisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. No, they got nothing on you. They got nothing. Outer space Voltron, pronounce the bone means like bone mines. The ladies like my eyes and my jawlines. I cannot complain, got them acting like they all mine. Top floors, skylines. Ballin' hard like the prime times. Hustlers, yeah we bonafide. If I shoot shots, I'ma send across the goal lines. Sticky your fingers, so we the Mick Jagger. Tiptoeing in Jordans, I had to riff.
At this point, guys, we've already used one pack. I'm now just going to use one more bundle from this next pack. So that's all I used was 4 bundles total.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up.
Alright guys, so we're all finished installing the hair. Now I'm just going to shape the hair a bit, and then I'm going to proceed to show you guys what I used in order to preserve the hair at night. I also want to mention that this hair comes in length 12. It also comes in length 16, and you can also use 3 bundles, which would be 1 pack rather than the 4 bundles that I use if you don't want to have so much volume. So I proceed to wrap my hair in the front with a satin scarf, and then I use this protective headband by Her Given Hair, and I like to use this because it's great for big or long hair. So I'm just going to scoop it up, create like a little puff, and then just wrap it around. I'm going to tuck under my flat twist, allow them to set overnight, and then I'm going to take my hair down in the morning.
Sometimes I want to have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with, so many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many, but I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't.
Y'all, this is looking so good so far. I do want to mention that if you like more definition in your natural hair to use a heavier product, I just use the butter and then just flat twist it. But if you want to see how I create more definition and get a better blend, then be sure to check out my clip-in tutorial. I'll be sure to link that in the cards above. I also want to share how you can easily conceal those grays. I'm just using a mascara to do so, and it's a really quick and easy fix. So this is how it looks all down. Oh my goodness, the shape is stunning. This hair looks so beautiful, and it looks like it could actually be mine. So I'm going to turn around the back to show you guys what we're working with. I haven't taken those twists down, but once we take those down, girl, we're going to be able to do so many styles.
Got problems that I'm dealing with, so many mistakes I've made. I'm living with so many, but I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about everything. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about it. Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Let it be, just let it be. 'Cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about it. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about things. Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. 'Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty truth be told. We've grown stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect.
Alright y'all, I hope that you enjoyed this thorough tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and share. All the links to this hair and all the specifications are provided in the description box. I love you guys, and I look forward to seeing you all in another awesome tutorial very soon. Bye guys.
Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long.